My Shiba Academia project. Greetings to everyone who is not interested in Bitcoin but in coins such as Shiba Inu and others. This coin has gained many fans and similar developments. They are just popular as an NFT market. The market for NFT-based games is growing rapidly. Every day new projects are launched that brings together NFT gamers and collectors. One of them is My Shiba Academia. My Shiba Academia. My Shiba Academia MCA is a multiplayer online social game with a collection of 25,000 NFTs. Its mission is to create a token-based community and take the GameFi movement to the next level. The project also promises an expansion of its own ecosystem, which will include several DeFi features. These include a hyper-deflationary service token, a decentralized exchange management tokens, dApps, and an in-game NFT minting service. MCA Tokenomics. At the core of My Shiba Academia is the MCA token. This coin will act as a bridge between the Ethereum and BSC blockchains. MCA is a hyperdeflationary token that the project supports by redeeming it on exchanges and burning it. This reduces its supply and increases its value in the long run. In addition, users will receive tokens through giveaways and after every in-game purchase they make. The developers of the project choose DxSale as the launch pad for the October 25-21 token launch. It has set the maximum number of MCA tokens at $5 billion. In addition, these tokens are subject to a usage reward mechanism that will revalue transactions with a 15% slippage. Here is how it will work. 7% of the total value will go to the project's liquidity pools to increase the level of support for each transaction. Another 3% will go to the marketing wallet, which will have the team further develop the project. Another 2% will automatically go to a smart contract to redeem MCA dollar tokens. 3% will go to the owner's decentralized wallets only for each active user transaction. Simply put, the more they play, the more they get rewarded. Further distribution of MCA dollar tokens includes 60% for Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 10% for team tokens, 5% for owner wallet to be locked for 6 months, 2% for community and event leader, 2.5% for media relations coordinator, and 0.5% for moderator team, 10% to exchanges and partnerships. In addition, the project will burn 20% of the initial offer. The MCA smart contract has successfully passed a first-class security audit from Solid Proof. Ecosystem features. The heroes soon to appear in My Shiba Academia will have different levels of rarity and therefore value. The developers have provided 4 levels. Student Heroes 10,000 NFT, Student Heroes 7,500 NFT, Heroes 5,000 NFT, Pro Heroes 2,500 NFT. Naturally, the fewer NFTs a level has, the more expensive they are. However, all heroes will be unique, and they will be easy to customize with items. There are other NFTs in the game. Another cool feature from My Shiba Academia is the Hero Watch. This wallet tracker will allow users to track several metrics, including their rewards in MCA dollar, their wallet balance, the number of tokens burned, upcoming contests and their winners, the percentage they will receive from their shares of MCA tokens. Finally, users can earn passive income by betting their heroes on the platform's swap feature. That way they can land NFT but still play the game. This will be possible with the help of a character clone, which they will receive for the duration of their bets. In the second version of the game, users will also have access to the in-game PvP feature. Bottom line: this is a truly Fascination game universe. With its progression and regression system, the game encourages players to stay active and increase their NFT values. I think there is really good money to be made on it. Yes, and they have grand plans for expansion.